All right, I wanted to do problem number 45 because it's a whole proof in and of itself. So I'm going to go ahead and record it. That way, if we don't get to it any of the classes, it'll be on here. We have a circle, and we're told that we've got these points on the circle. A, let's see if I can get it on there. B, E, and D. Okay, and if you kind of make an X here, you could connect them like this. And then they've basically kind of made some triangles out of them here. All right, and we know that AB is equal to DE. That's all we're given. So this and this, okay, those are equal. If you look, we also know some other things here. They want us. Let me. This is our given here. We want to prove that AD is equal to BE. Okay. Okay, so here's how we could go about this. First of all, we write our given down. I'm going to do this as a formal proof. You wouldn't have to do this, but I'm going to do it just because this is how I learned proofs. This is how I think. So the reason that AB is DE is it's given. Now, second of all, the measure of arc AB is going to be equal to the measure of arc DE, and that's because in a circle, equal chords have equal arcs. Equal chords have equal arcs. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and label those equal. So let me just kind of trace those in green. We know that this is equal to this. Okay, that's what that just said. Okay. All right, now the measure of arc AB plus the measure of arc BD. So AB plus BD, that's a semicircle, isn't it? So it would be equal to the measure of arc BD plus the measure of arc DE. Is that a semicircle? Oh, it's not a semicircle. It's just because it looked that way when I drew it. But still, BD plus AB and BD plus ED would be the same just because we're adding an equal amount to what we had in step 3. We just added BD to both sides, so that's just addition. All right, for step 4, measure of arc AB plus measure of arc BD equals to AD. That's just saying what the whole arc is. And measure of arc BD plus measure of arc DE equal measure of arc BE. And that's just adding, again, that's arc addition. We can say that arc's made up of those two smaller ones put together, arc addition. Okay, now step 5, measure of arc AD is equal to measure of arc BE. By substitution, since that's just substitution, and that's from step 4. If you look, step 4, we showed that the things that were in step 3 could be written differently, and now we're just saying those two things are equal. And so if the arcs are equal, now we're at the end, if those arcs are equal, then AD finally is equal to BE. And the reason, so I'm out of space here, but I'm trying not to move the page just so we can see all the work. Equal arcs have equal chords. Equal arcs have equal chords. Okay, so that's that proof 45 that you have to do all on your own.